Hi guys, this is Solace and we're making a Play-Doh today. We have color food and we have flour, we have salt, we have, I forgot this,
Tartar,
and we have oil and water. So the first step, guys, is water. We're gonna open the lid and pour all of it.
how much water is that? That's 1 cup.
1 cup.
Okay.
Until it's all gone, you need your parents to turn on the heat.
Okay.
And once it's boiling, you're gonna grab the salt.
Which is a half cup. Half cup of salt.
We're gonna pour all of it in and wait until it boils. And mix it. Now guys, we are gonna put the flour in. Okay, ready, set, go. We're gonna put the tartar in.
Which is a 1 tablespoon of tartar and 1 tablespoon of oil.
We're gonna mix it.
And then you get it out of the heat. And you take all that. Mix it. Just like needed. It's hot, so please be careful.
Just for a reminder.
And while it's still hot,
keep doing that until it stops being hot.
Yep. Okay, so now we cut a few balls.
Each bowl.
And make a little indentation.
Yeah, put 1 hole in each.
Now that part is yours, Alice. What do we do next?
So you can grab any food coloring you want. So I'm gonna start off with blue. If blue's your favorite color, you can do it. I'm gonna put the top there. 1 drop in each.
Are they all going to be blue? No, make another one.
Okay.
Oh, you already make it. It's okay. Maybe mix it up with the yellow.
Yeah.
Ok, ahí tienen 4 Play-Doh.
He wants.
No, pues ahí ya tienes más ya. Ya tienes ahí harta. Y esta le va a poner más verde. A ver si le ponemos aquí. ¿Qué color? Este es café, creo.
Yes, it is. He's asking. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to start blue.
Yeah.
Now, finally have some dark blue. He wants blue. He wants azul. If you understand Spanish, blue in Spanish is azul. Please, Mom.
No, ya tienen suficiente. No creo que tus manitos se pongan así de sucias.
Look at my
Mira las manos de...
manos.
Ok, lo vamos a poner hasta aquí. Ok.
Y fin.
Y el fin. ¿Cuántos hicimos? ¿4?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bolitas de masa. Y un desorden total. Diga gracias.
Gracias.